how to make a service inactive. What we're going to do is navigate to the Services tab on the left-hand sidebar and select the service we want to make inactive. So for example, we are going to make the Baby Sleep Session 1 an inactive service, meaning that clients will not be able to see this service on the Community Hub, nor will you be able to schedule appointments for this service. So to make a service inactive, you're just going to click on the box with the down arrow, and we can click on that, which makes the service inactive. You can also go ahead and view all of your inactive services by clicking the check marks at the top, which will give you access to all of your previously inactive services and the option to remake them active. So for example, if we want to make this group call active again, we can just click on that box, which will then mark the service as active and add it back to your active service list. And that is how you can make services inactive or reactivate a service.